Alright, we got some seals in. We got our new joint, which actually this came off of a Nissan that'll fit this four-wheeler. And then we got the Moose brand carb rebuild kit with everything in there. So we'll start putting some seals in this thing. Alright, make sure you get all this big stuff down in here if you can. Alright. Good enough to put a seal in. Maybe it's this one. Hopefully. In there pretty well. Down in there a little bit better. That seal in. I'm gonna put that one in. And we've got Goliath. Use the old seal and cover on down. Hit on the outside. And the bearing still moves good. So we'll get some of this goopy goop off here. I'm going to clean all this with a razor blade and some carb cleaner and get this thing back together. Brand new razor blade. And we'll see if we can clean some of this off here. Pull this one, throw it over there too. Be careful with this, these are like razor blades. And they will slice your fingers into pieces. It's a real small bead. All the way around this shindig. We don't want a bunch on there because we don't want it gooping, but we want enough on it. A lot of times I'll put a semi-nice layer down and there'll be a few spots I miss, and I like to go back with my finger and smooth it all out because obviously you're going to have some more than others in some spots. So this helps me out right pretty easy like. Sometimes you may have to go back and put a little more down. Alright, so I had to use a rubber mallet and some wood and hammer that in. Go to put that shaft in it, don't catch it and tear it. So, actually that's no big deal because it's going to be the joint that goes in there. Alright, let's put this on. Good to go. Alright. Flip her upside down. On these bolts, all of them are going to be out the same length, which is about 3/8 of an inch or so. Let me get this run down here. Main thing is from the seal to there, which we don't want any of this other crap on there anyway. That seal's still good, so we're all right there. Seal is going to ride right on that lip, so we want to make sure we got it good and clean. Get this kind of snug a little bit. This little booger. Make some special tool for this, but I don't have one. So Put a screwdriver on that side, one on that side. Get a hold of that clip right there. And smack one of them, just like that. And clip popped out. Boom. Let's do it again. Alright, put a little lube on there. That way it won't tear up my seal. Flip this other one over and do it. I don't know if it's the same size or not. Yep. Alright, so this one was still good. I'm gonna pack that hole with grease. This don't actually have a Zerk fitting, and I might have to use a poker because all I'm going to do is be pushing the air bubble in there. It should just flop on in there, just so easy like. Roll them roller bands. Get this other one in there. Got it. Maybe not quite far enough. Got one on. Alright, that one feels good. All the way in there. These are already pre-greased, so that's nice. Alright, got both of them on. Idea, I got a socket down there, the Zerk fittings in the middle. I bet that's pretty close. Get my retainer on both sides, so we're good. Alright, got our new joint in. Transfer case is complete. Got to put it back together. Got a new joint in there. All these are nice and solid. Greased them up real good. New seals. Man, somebody beat on that. Put my bearing back on there so I don't forget about that. So we'll get ready to put this sucker back in here in just a few.